Okay, in this video I'm going to explain to you what Remove Transparency Standard is. I'm probably going to be adding some more of these in the future depending on how well they go over, but it's pretty straightforward. So with this artwork that I have up here, you can see that we've got some areas of blending, but you can see the transparency grid in the background, checker boxes basically. So this is going to kind of destroy the effect that we want to hold for this image, but I just want to show you that certain things like text, which I'll show you after this, it'll really help out with. So let's go ahead and with the layer that we want to edit being visible, the rest turned off, let's go ahead and click Remove Transparency Standard. So I'll click this layer or macro, wait for that to process. On average about 10 seconds, and you can see we've got a nice clean plate now. We can go to print. It's 100% opaque pixels. It does a pretty darn good job of going through and erasing transparent or slightly opaque pixels, you know, stuff that's not 100%, and just gets everything to 100%. See, these nice edges are carved out. And it's pretty much ready to go, but, you know, really destroys the effect. You could leave some of this highlight here, but you could see it's better suited for different scenarios like text. So let's go ahead and turn on our text, turn everything else, and I just want to zoom in and show you. So this text right here kind of has a fuzzy edge, and that's not something that's going to print well, especially in white toner printing. So with this zoomed in, let's go ahead and just make sure we have this layer selected, and I'm going to click on the macro Remove Transparency Standard. So we'll click that. It's going to do its best to basically, you know, smooth things out and yeah, get your text ready to print. So that covers Remove Transparency Standard. If you guys see any settings or have some issues, please contact me. I'll be updating these over time. But yeah, that's Remove Transparency. Thanks for watching.